Cooking. Noun. Uncountable. 1. The process of preparing food. My husband does all the cooking. I book on Indian cooking. 2. Food that has been prepared in a particular way. The restaurant offers traditional home cooking. Food similar to that cooked at home. They serve good French cooking. Extra examples. Her cooking is wonderful. I miss my mother's good home cooking. I use yogurt a lot in cooking. Stir the mixture to prevent the beans sticking to the bottom during cooking. We enjoyed some of her gourmet cooking. Who does most of the cooking in your house? Traditional English cooking. Traditional Southern cooking. I bought a book on Indian cooking. The restaurant offers traditional home cooking.